Hey, you see that bike right there? That Lowrider ST? That might not be the bike for you. We're gonna get into it right now. These are the reasons why the Lowrider ST is not the bike for you. Give you guys a nice little start. I can't believe I am making this video. I usually come on here and I talk so highly of this bike, everything about it, the looks, the performance, what it has to offer. This is my personal bike. I love this bike. But now I need to make a video talking about why this bike may not be for you. It might be the wrong choice for you. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let's get into it. I think we can start by comfort first. I'm 5'7". Look at this. I'm basically pretty much able to flat foot this bike. I would not recommend this bike for you if you are probably 6 feet and above. You're gonna be super cramped. As you can see right here, my leg has like a nice little tiny slant going down. If you are a taller person, your legs are gonna come up here. It's gonna put you in a really, really crunched up position. You're not gonna enjoy the ride too much. The riding triangle on the Softails, honestly, isn't for taller riders. For us short kings, we're good with that. I'm super comfortable on this bike. So the ergos work really, really good for me. If you are the type of person that is looking to do super long miles on a cruiser, sorry tall guys, this bike isn't for you. And if you want to go ahead and get forward controls on here, which you can, I wouldn't recommend it because this is a performance bike. The way it's meant to be ridden is with mids. You know, the bike is meant to be taken up to the twisties and meant to be ridden a certain way, very more of an aggressive way rather than a relaxed cruiser way with your legs all up here in the front. It's not meant for that, so I wouldn't recommend that. I'm gonna give you another reason why I don't recommend this bike and why this bike may be not for you. If you are looking for a bike to travel across the country, and if you want to take it to its limits when it comes to the miles, when it comes to the gas consumption, well then I would highly suggest for you to pick a street glide or a road glide. This right here is gonna have a 5-gallon gas tank, while the street glide and road glide have a 6-gallon gas tank. The touring models are also gonna give you a more comfortable riding triangle for those long miles. You won't be, you won't feel so scrunched up. The bike is heavier, but you won't be as scrunched up as a Softail model right here. So if you want to enjoy and stretch out your capabilities when it comes to touring across the country, just get a bagger. Even though you can do it on here, yes you can, but can you do it more comfortably on any of those bikes? Absolutely, 100%. Now, another reason why I wouldn't recommend this bike, if you're the type of rider that's looking for a bike just to cruise on a Sunday afternoon or evening, or you don't really use your bike that much and you just want that feeling of having the wind in your hair, cruising, super light frame bike, this bike is not for you. Why? Because we have that fixed fairing in the front, which does a great job blocking all that wind. So if you're the type of rider that likes to have the wind on you and everything, this bike isn't for you. more of a modern retro bike right here. It's not a classic looking bike. So if you want a classic Harley Davidson that looks classic, that sounds classic, you're not gonna get that out of here. This is a modern bike, retro, with a ton of power. It's for a different customer. I really can't think of any other reason or why this bike wouldn't be for you. I'm sorry. I tried to look for reasons and I just can't, because I absolutely love this bike. And for me, it's the perfect bike and it has so much to offer. If you want to dive deeper into that, I'm going to link up a video towards the end where I'm talking about all the great things that this bike has to offer, and well, a lot of it. Mainly talking about on why I think this bike still holds the crown for being the best mid-size cruiser on the market. Anyways, that's going to be it, guys. I am going to catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.